Kingston man charged following armed robbery of a senior citizen. Hi again and welcome. This is Links of 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. One man has been charged with several offenses following an armed robbery on Charles Street, Kingston on Monday, December the 13th. Charged with robbery with aggravation, assault, occasion, acute bodily harm, and illegal possession of firearm and ammunition is 33-year-old Edward Daly, otherwise called Junior, a chef of Charles Street, Kingston. Reports from the Kingston Central Police are that Daly was allegedly among a group of men armed with knife and firearms who robbed the senior citizen of his cellular phone, jewelry, and money. He was also dealt a blow on the head and the upper part of the body. The police were summoned and he was taken to hospital where he was admitted. Upon release from the hospital, the elderly man saw Daly and pointed him out to the police. Daly was arrested and charged. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.